Why did I think it came with AirPods? Bro, these are headphones. These are regular. Hi everyone. A hair flew on my face. Oh my gosh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Annette here. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and video test on the iPhone 11. So I literally ordered this on Sunday and it shipped. It delivered today. I think it's Tuesday. I wasn't expecting it to come this fast, so that's kind of shocking, but like, I'm not complaining. But yeah, bought it on Sunday, delivered on Tuesday, so that was only 2 days. I think Apple does express shipping for like electronics. This is the box it came in. I'm not gonna show you the full thing just because my address is on it. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull out the iPhone. Hold up, I can't really see it. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I got the one in purple. I got the iPhone with 128 gigabytes. I was gonna go for 256, but when I went to checkout and the tax got added onto it, it was like $50 plus with the tax. So I was like, let me just get the 128 and keep it moving. Also, I am upgrading from an iPhone 8. This is my current phone. I've had this phone for like almost 2 years now, and it is time to upgrade. I am like 4 generations behind, so yeah, or 3, I don't know. But this is what it's looking like. It's not that old, to be honest. Like, I still like this phone. I think the camera quality is fine. I wouldn't complain about it. This phone is pretty good and it held up good too. The storage is full on this phone, so I'm happy I got a new one. This is the iPhone. I'm so excited to open it. Okay, this is so pretty. Like, the color is literally giving me life. It's a little bit smaller than my iPhone 8, but like, it's a good size, so I'm not mad. Okay, I'm not gonna take this part off just because I don't have a screen protector or a case yet. I have to order that probably tonight, but yeah, I'm not gonna take it off. I'm gonna keep it on. This is what it's looking like. The color is really pretty. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Looks like that. I'm just gonna compare the size of this phone to my iPhone 8. Take off the case. Okay, so this is it in size comparison. The iPhone 8 Plus is obviously bigger. The power button is bigger on the new phone. I'm just gonna turn this phone on. Okay, so it's turning on right now. While it's turning on, I'll just show you what came in the box. Came with this little thing, the like iPhone thingy with directions or whatever, I don't even know. Has the 2 Apple stickers. It came with the little SIM card opener, manual thing. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. Why did I think it came with AirPods? Bro, these are headphones. These are regular. No, but seriously, why did I think they put AirPods in my thing? I got so happy. I am sorry. I really thought these were AirPods, but anyways, I'm not complaining. I actually haven't used a pair of headphones with wires in so long, so that can be like backup because my AirPods are starting to act up. I dropped them in water like 5 times already, trying to like wash my face, which wasn't smart. And just like, I don't know, just being by the sink. Came with a box and the charger. That's basically it for what it came with. So now we are gonna look at the phone. Okay, so it finally turned on and it's just on like the hello screen or whatever. Now it says welcome to iPhone. I just finished setting up the phone and now I'm gonna do a video test so you guys can see the quality from this to this. And keep in mind, I have been recording on my iPhone 6S. Yes, 6S, which is like literally 5 generations behind, or 4. So this is a big difference. Now I'm gonna switch phones and show you guys how it's looking. Okay, so this is what the phone's looking like. The lighting is actually really good. and like the quality. I wasn't expecting this at all. Like you can really see like my face, and I feel like it adds way more color to the video too. It might look a little weird just because I still have the plastic over the camera area, but other than that, this is like really nice. Oh my gosh, this is really good. This is crazy. Let me fix my lighting a little bit. That did nothing, but whatever. This is amazing. Okay, now I'm gonna do a side-by-side with my iPhone 8, or I'll do my iPhone 6s and then this phone. So okay, so this is a side-by-side view of the phones. Oh my gosh, there is a big difference. There's less color in the iPhone 6s and more color here, and I feel like, actually, I don't know, let me go closer. You can definitely see more details on my face in the iPhone 11 than the iPhone 6s, and also this one focuses automatically. The iPhone 11 focuses automatically and the iPhone 6s doesn't, but I'm not surprised just because it's an old model. So yeah, but I'm happy with this phone, and I definitely think that if you're thinking about buying it, you should. Like, the camera quality is amazing. So this is front camera, and now I'll do back camera of the iPhone 11. I'm just holding it because I didn't have anything to prop up on it. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. I can't really see, but I'm guessing it looks really good. Okay, now I'm gonna switch to the iPhone 6s. Okay, so now I'm doing back camera on the iPhone 6s. My camera is low-key messed up on the back of this, so I don't know if you guys can see me, but let's just hope you do. The quality is probably way worse than the iPhone 11. Okay, so I totally forgot to mention this, but I just remembered from watching another video that if you want to take a photo, you can either do a wide angle or regular angle. Well, regular angle. So I'm just gonna do the regular angle and show you guys the picture. Let me do the wide. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the iPhone 11 to finish recording. So actually, I watched the playback on my iPhone 6s and the quality wasn't that bad, surprisingly. Anyways, final thoughts. I love the phone. I love everything else. The size isn't that bad. So if you're coming from Plus or Max to a like smaller phone like the 11 or the 11 Pro, I definitely recommend, because it's not that smaller. So yeah, I honestly am happy with this phone. If you're thinking about buying this, make sure you do. I don't have any regrets right now. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe and comment down below which color of the iPhone 11 you would get. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.